Hello and welcome to my channel. If you're new, thank you for stopping by and taking a look, and if you've been here before, thank you so much for coming back. I really appreciate it. So today's video is going to be a quick little video. I won a contest on Instagram from Modelones, and they sent me a gel polish. Now I'm not sure which ones they are, so we're going to open the package and take a look together. So this is the back of it. And it says on here, Modelones Gel Nail Polish New. So let's open it and find out what the colors are. A little tough to open. Well, it looks like that they're cat-eyed because there's a magnet. And it comes with this new eco-friendly packaging, it says. Old bottles versus new bottles. The new bottles are much smaller than the old bottles. And I know a lot of people don't like the small bottles because they're hard to hold. And then it comes with the instructions on how to prep your nails, how to apply the gel, and how to remove the gel. And it has some questions and answers and some tips and the warning. But I'm sure you can find all that information on their website. So let's pop these out. And then they're not in any number sequence, or at least not all of them. So we have 2673, 2672, 2671, 2670. And then it goes to 2646 and 2640. So let's start with 2640. Looks like it's a pink silvery metallic. And you'll hear my dogs chewing in the background. They're chewing on their favorite toys right now. Let's see if I can flip the magnet around. I mean, it is working, but it took off all the... It demagnetized it pretty quickly. So I think I might have to try this. I might have to try these on black because I can't really see the color on it. So let me grab a black swatch stick for this one at least. And let's give that a try. So it is very responsive, that's for sure. It's very, very pretty silvery color. But you definitely need a dark background to be able to see it. It's very easy. Look at that, to make French tip. That'd be really easy. I'm just gonna repolish it and then I will cure it And then we'll give it a second coat. All right, let's try 2646. We're going to try it on clear first and see if we can see that. And this is a, oh wow, this is a very bright pink. Very, very bright pink color. Oh, that's really nice, actually. All right. Give me 1 second. Sorry about that. I just went and put the dogs in another room because all I can hear them is chomping. He's very reactive. It's just very hard to see the magnetic part on the clear. So let's try it on a black one. We'll see what that looks like. Yeah, it demagnetizes it with this magnet very quickly. And even if I flip the magnet over, same thing. It's a very strong magnet. Those magnets usually don't work very well either. Let's try a different magnet. Let's see what I have. Let's try this one. Oh, there we go. Now you can really see it. Very, very pretty. Let's see. And you can see it a little bit on the clear, but it's much better on the black. So I'm going to give this a cure. And then we'll do a second coat of that as well. Let me see how many. I don't have very many black swatch sticks. I think this might be my last one. So let's see, 2670. And this is like a metallic purple. That's really pretty. Has some really nice shift to it, that's for sure. Cure that one. And let me see if I can find some more black swatch sticks. And I found, excuse me, I found another pack, so we're good to go. So let's do 2671. And this is a light pink metallic. Or this one looks more like a pearl than a metallic. But actually, when you put it on here, it looks pretty silver. It doesn't even look pink. My magnets are sticking together. Okay, there we go. Oh, that's pretty, really pretty though. Has really nice shift to it, that's for sure. Very, very reactive magnetic polishes. Alright, I'm going to cure this one. What's next? 2672. Drop my swatch stick. There you go. This is a pretty blue, metallic blue. Hoping when I give it 2 coats it'll bring more out, more of the color of the gel polish out, less of the silver. I mean, they are very reactive, which is really nice. Very pretty. And then the last one, 2673. And this is a green. Very pretty green, light green. I mean, they go on beautifully and they self-level really well. And you don't see all the brush strokes, which is nice. That's really, really pretty. It does have a nice velvety color to it. Let's just give this another wipe down and cure it, and we will go on to our second coat. So I have the first 3 right here. And these two look so similar. I'm pretty sure that's the purple. It has a, like, when you put it together, it has a little bit of a purple tint to it. So this was 2640. I'm hoping you can see that the shift on camera, because it does. It is very reactive. It's really pretty. Alright, let's see. The next one we'll do 2646. Let me close this up so I don't spill it. And this is that really bright pink. Yeah, look at that. Very pretty. Lovely colors, very nice colors. I just wonder why they're not in order. They're like they're not a series. They're just put in there sporadically, I guess. I mean, normally when I get these little Model 1 boxes, the numbers are in sequence. Wow, look at that. That's really pretty. Look at that shift. It's really nice. That's a very pretty color. Alright, and then I have the last 3. Let's see. this one was that light pink, the 2671. So pretty. I mean, you don't need a strong magnet to use these, that's for sure. Pink. Okay, then 2672. Let me just close this up real quick. And this is the blue. That's really pretty. It'd be nice for like ice nails in the winter. And the last one is 2673, and that's the green one. The light green. I could play with these all day. It's so much fun, especially when you get a magnetic cat eye that's very reactive. So pretty. Right, I'm going to cure them and then I will show you the set.
So these are the cat eyes, all top coated and cured. It is a really nice set. The colors can look a little similar on camera, but in person they do look different. I mean, that bright pink at the end is absolutely gorgeous. It doesn't really go with the set, but it is such a pretty color. I'm wondering why Modelones decided to throw that color in. But it is a really gorgeous set if you wanted to purchase it. And thank you, Modelones, for sending me this set. And I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and have a wonderful day.